Okay. The MX... Oh wait, this is not an MX Master. This is the Keychron M6. Yeah, it's light. It's fucking light. I mean, when I switched from the MX Master to this, I was like flinging this shit around so fast because it's so light. Also, I got the silent click. Don't know if you can hear that. It's fucking quiet. But I don't like it. In fact, it's fucking awful. It's terrible. I'll tell you why. Now, it's not what you think. It tries to rip off the MX Master, and I have the original from 2015, but it doesn't do it well. It doesn't implement a clutch into the scroll wheel. It does a button, and it's not good. Pretty good, right? No, it's not. That took 125 grams just to press in. It's not good. It's heavy. And then if it is engaged, the freewheel, it like rattles. But if it's not, it's fine. But it rattles when it is engaged. So I hate that, but it is 1,000 pull. It's got a great sensor, you can see it. It's awesome. But that's garbage. Also, the thumb wheel, you can't fucking see it because it's dark. It's hard as fuck to use. It barely does anything. In fact, it's kind of useless because the tolerance in the scroll wheel sucks because there's a lot of side-to-side movement. Because they wanted it to tilt. So you can press it to the side or to that side and it will like tilt, and that basically makes this pointless. It makes this button pointless, and it sucks, and this is better to use in tilt. It's easier and it feels better than it does to use the entire thumb wheel. It's so not good to like use. The buttons. Oh, whoa. It's fucking with my scroll lock. That's weird. Another reason to hate this. Alright. Well, I'm gonna return it. I'm probably not gonna get a Keychron. Maybe. It's lightweight. I like that. I like the body. The sensor's great. But what the fuck? There's no clutch. It has tilt for no reason. I don't even use tilt. I wanted the thumb wheel to feel good. It doesn't. I mean, it's a deal breaker. And it's fucking horrible. That button is fucking awful. Fuck you. Fuck this. I'm gonna return it. But I'm happy they tried, you know. It's so cheap. It's so cheap. I like that it's light. I like that. I like light mice. This is a lot lighter than the MX Master, but Jesus Christ. That button sucks so bad. And the scroll wheel sucks. It just doesn't sound or feel that great. I really liked it at first, but at least it lets me use a USB cord.